Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the £2 Frankenstein coin, and what I've got is the brilliant uncirculated edition. Now this coin was announced at the start of the year, so we saw the images of it and I just couldn't wait for it to come out. I thought it was going to be stunning, and yep, confirmed when it came out, because that is a beautiful coin. That is how it looks, the brilliant uncirculated edition in the packaging, front and back. But what I'm going to do now is my usual thing where I open mine up, so that if you have this coin yourself and want to know all the information that's going on inside, you can just watch this and have a read through. So again, front and back, and we're going to do the usual thing here where I open it up and I leave each part of the inside up long enough so that you can actually pause it and have a read at your own pace. So we've got a lot of information here about the history of Frankenstein and a lot of really cool images. There we go, if I just move my thumb and then we'll bring it back round. A little bit more information by there and there until we get back round to the back and the front again. So we'll just check out the back here quickly. I'll show you this part by there. And we'll get on to the coin specifications. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy, nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams. The diameter is 28.40 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. And the reverse designer is Thomas T. Doherty. Let's check out the coin itself. So there we go. I'll just manipulate this in the light so that you can actually see how great that design is. So this here is the reverse of the coin. So simplistic. Again, love the packaging, how this pulse just goes through the coin. But again, a great finish as you'd expect from brilliant uncirculated. Easily my favourite £2 coin design now. And let's just have a look at the obverse of the coin. And again, just so you can see how shiny that is, again with brilliant uncirculated, you'd expect nothing less. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of that. Did any of you get the brilliant uncirculated, or are you just going to hold off and see if you find one in circulation? Or did you maybe go for the silver proof? Let me know in the comment section below, because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.